Well, back at Dynodaze, and first up today on this beautiful day in Nuneaton is a red FN2 for an Ecutek map. So as you guys already know, but I'm going to tell you anyway, we're going to do an initial power run after a visual inspection and see what power she's putting out. At that point, we're going to flash the standard ECU with an Ecutek license and get cracking. So here we go. Okay, so initial power run done, and she's made around 209 brake horsepower, which isn't so bad at all. Mods that this car's got is it's got an induction kit, a HKS one, a bit warm. It's got a power flow back box on a standard midsection with a sports cat in place of the original cat, so it's on the standard manifold. So, but it's made 209, so we're now flashing what we call a race ROM base file onto the stock ECU, so no need for another ECU. We could just use the standard ECU. That gives us the ability to data log and also make adjustments. So that's the next process now. So we'll do many runs on the dyno, sweeps through the dyno, the power runs, etc. I'll put a few into this video so you get the point, but we're not going to make a video that's an hour long. So yeah, we'll get cracking. So the next run will be off our base, what we call our base file off the Ecutek race ROM, and then we'll start tuning. How are you this morning, Richard?
Well, didn't die in my sleep, so I'm here.
See, people love that. They'll miss you from this morning's live chat that we do every morning. Please turn the ignition off and off again and click OK. Yeah, I'm doing that. So, you're looking forward to your holiday, mate?
Yeah, I can't wait.
I bet you can't. You're going to miss me, though, aren't you?
No.
Yeah, you are.
8 months of straight work and building a paint shop that you wanted at the start of the year.
That I wanted. I'm telling you, mate, you're getting the blame for that. You'll get the blame for bumming my bank balance and also putting me through all that stress.
Forever.
And if you ever say the word gas pipe to me again, we're having a fight.
Gas man.
Gas man! Right, let's do it. Red FN2 Civic. A few mods. It's got
Free burpee.
It's got a little bit of bird poop upon it. It's hindered it, if anything, today.
I don't think the bird poo's made any difference to the power, no.
But it's got a HKS induction kit. That's probably the best part, I would say, because it's on the stock cat.
Yeah.
No, sorry, it's on a stock manifold with a 200 cell cat, and then a stock midsection mated to a PowerFlex back box that reduces down to 2 inch. So, but we've still made power in the mid-range.
Yeah, I mean, there's definitely power to be had with this car. I think, you know, as we're all aware with these, if you wanted to keep their sports cat in there, Piper manifold with sports cat works well.
Yeah.
Again, still slightly hurt them on power a little bit, but obviously you want to remain legal, so that's fair enough. So you compromise one thing for another. Definitely the Tegra 70mm still the best exhaust in my opinion for these cars. Best flow, best sound, best power. Yeah, you know,
agreed.
Worked.
I've got one of them.
They're not available at the moment, I don't believe.
Yeah, they're out of stock.
They're out of stock, so that shows how well they're selling. And it's made some positive improvements. I mean, we've made power today.
Made 11 wheel horsepower.
Yeah, it's what we made. I think, don't doubt for 1 second the car will drive better, and obviously with the features as well, it's certainly worth having the map. But yeah, I think there's definitely some better mods for this car to push.
I think they're in the pipeline. I think he enjoys the car anyway, as it is.
Yeah.
I think with the added features of the Ecutek map today, and is punching the mid-range, and is a little tiny bit of peak power. I think he's going to enjoy it even more, and then he'll end up buying an exhaust. I'm pretty sure
put some more mods on. Right, should we have a look at the graph?
Come on. Okay, so red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves, and as you can see, power has been made in the mid-range there, and a little bit top end as well. Extended the rev range, lowered the VTEC. Richard, why are you touching my nipples? Don't pretend you're not there now you've done that. Hey, why are you touching my nipples?
I thought you like it.
Well, I do like it, but not when you do it. We finish on 230 brake, 184 at the wheels, and like I say, we're up by 11 horsepower at the wheels. 11 wheel horsepower. So there we go, another one in the bag. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Comment down below what exhaust system you're currently running. Jensen's been on a learning day today, haven't you, Jensen?
Yeah.
Have you enjoyed sitting in the car with Rich?
Yeah, it's been brilliant. Very confusing.
Very confusing. Yeah, that's why I don't bother sitting in there, mate. We'll let Rich do that. Yeah, Rich touches me up when I sit in there, so hopefully that's not happened to you. Right, and we'll see him on the next one, won't we, Rich? Rich?
Yeah.
You have to say we will indeed.
Yeah, we will indeed.
Good man.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.